remember the 21st night of September. Love was changing the minds of pretenders. It's chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the keys that the souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how stars stole the night away. Say that you remember, dancing in September. Never was a cloudy day. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and in this video I'll show you how I'm playing September by Earth, Wind and Fire. Pretty cool song, definitely the month to do it. Let's not waste time, jump right in. Okay, so first of all I'll show you how to play the song 2/2 steps down than the original. So if you want to play along with the original, just put a capo on the 2nd fret and play with the chords that I'm about to show you. But with these chords it's way easier. Alright, so the chords are not complicated at all, but what is complicated in this song is the rhythm, and I'll try to explain it step by step for you. But first let's see the chords. So we need the chord of C major 7, okay, then A minor 7, which is just all strings open, then B minor 7, which is barring on the 2nd fret, alright, and then we need the chord of E minor 7, okay. Also later we need the chord of B7, like this, not minor but major, okay. Then the chord of F major 7, which is like this. On the 5th fret, the G and C string and A and E string open. Alright. And then for the chords we also need the chord of D7. Alright. From top to bottom is 2 open, 2 open. Let me think if I'm forgetting something. No, that's all the chords. Okay, so the song has pretty much just 2 parts, the verse and the chorus. The verse goes like C major 7, but I'm starting with 2 muted strums, okay? Alright, and then on C major 7 I'm doing down, up, like this. Okay? And then B minor 7 just for 1 strum and releasing to A minor 7 for the up strum, alright? So slowly, very slowly this thing. Okay? Okay? Alright? And then we go to B minor 7 again to E minor 7. Here's it. Alright, and on the 3rd time, instead of B minor 7, we are doing B major 7. Here it is. And we finish it on F major 7. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Slower. Alright, and after that we go to the chorus, which basically starts with A minor 7 to D7 to B minor 7 to E minor 7. Alright? And the strum I'm doing is something like down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck. Okay? And also on the third time again, instead of B minor, we are doing B major 7 to E minor 7, and we finish on F major 7. Okay, so on both parts, the third time, instead of minor 7, we're doing major 7, and we finish it on F major 7. All right, let's go through both parts a little bit slower. All right. Do you remember the 21st night of September? Love was changing the minds of pretenders. As clouds away. One more verse. Eyes were ringing, indicated souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how stars night away. We're going to the chorus now. Hey, 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 Aria. Say that you remember Aria. Dancing in September. Aria. Never was a cloudy day. Almost missed the B major. Aria, 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 aria. Actually, he's singing Baria, 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 something like that, I don't know. Alright, so pretty much this is my tutorial for September. Thank you so much for watching it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.